Hello and what is going on, guys? It's Timothy Rain here, back with another video. So in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to add a slow motion or hyperlapse effect into your video using Premiere Pro. So click the Premiere Pro icon or just launch Premiere Pro. I have the Premiere Pro 2020 right in here and create a new file. A new project. I'll click a new project. The next is drag and drop the file that you wanted to edit. So for me, it's in the documents folder. Oh, sorry. Drag and drop it right in here. And I capture it outside of our house because there's a nearby water here. And then the great thing in Premiere Pro is that you can hover your mouse and you can now scroll into the timeline, into the video, so you can see if that is the video that you wanted to. Next is to drag and drop it into your timeline right over in here. So as you can see over here, we have now that. So if we play that, it's like that. Now to make it to add a slow motion effect, just click on the clip right here, click right click, and then click speed and duration or speed duration. Then make it 50 or lower than that. It is in you, but I prefer you 50 because, for example, you recorded 60 frames per second, and it would reduce it to 38 frames per second, so the video will not be choppy. But I record that in 30 frames per second, so I think it's 15 frames per second. I don't know, but yeah. So right here, yeah, that's it. You can also make a time lapse with it. So let's change the speed and duration to 120. 120. Let's go with 120 first. And let's try to 150. Okay, sorry. You can see it gets shorter because it's much more faster. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up, don't hit the subscribe, and don't forget to see you guys next time. Goodbye.